So how'd you manage this travel day?
Well, that 28 kilometers is a long, hard day on the Pacific Coast Highway.
Yeah, I mean, how long were we driving?
5 minutes, maybe. We're gonna show them our backyard.
So when you walk through our site, there's this little trail. Try to not be so rough when I'm filming this. Don't want to get you motion sickness. So it is extremely stormy on the Oregon coast right now, but
The tide's in.
and the tide is in, but wowzers.
We're gonna have a beautiful beach down our trail, and you can see this from our trailer.
Yeah, it's lovely. Look at those breakers way out there. I'll see if I can zoom in and see them. Those are big waves. Really glad I did my hair today. Really glad.
It's a little windy here.
Yeah, that was 15 minutes well spent.
So Debbie, we did this last year.
So last year when we pulled in, it was windy and it was cool, but it was sunny.
Yes. You look out here, it is beautiful, but it is stormy and windy and cold.
It's really windy. Like
Yeah.
the trailer shakes from the wind, and driving down the highway, we've been hit by a few gusts.
Have
So
to slow down,
it's not nice weather.
but it's not snow.
It's not snow, and it's still an ocean, so it's all good.
Yeah, it's good. Your thumb's kind of in the way there.
So they removed the warning this morning for high tide and sneaker waves and all that here at Harris Beach. They still have up the blockades to not stop people, but to, I guess,
Caution.
enter at your own risk, I guess is what it is. But it's beautiful. We actually have the big yellow thing.
The big yellow one is the
That
sun.
up there, not Curtis, that thing up over there.
Yeah, it's warm.
It's beautiful.
Were you
Very, very
overdressed?
nice. Yeah, I wore a coat. Really shouldn't have worn a
Yeah,
coat.
or rain jacket thing.
But it's beautiful. And if you look behind us,
That is Harris Beach.
that's Harris Beach.
It is beautiful. Happy to see the sun.
Very happy to see the sun.
Yeah.
That's Curtis trying to get the perfect photo. You know, if he was really committed, he'd be in the water. Just saying. Our lighting's a little scary at the fire. We look like we're doing
The Blair Witch Project.
scary stories by the fire. It is New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's. And happy anniversary.
It is our anniversary. We were married or met 136 years ago.
Close. 36 years ago, we met at a New Year's Eve dance. Yeah, so this is our anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. We are having my most favorite meal. I mean, Curtis loves steak, but my most favorite meal is what?
Steak over an open fire.
Yes. I absolutely love steak done over the campfire. We're having steak, and then we have potatoes and carrots roasted in the oven inside, and wine and beer.
Why are you roasting firewood over the open fire?
So this here is the firewood that we bought at South Beach, and it was so wet there that even though this was in storage, it just got sopped from humidity, so it didn't burn. Our fire on Christmas Day or Boxing Day
Christmas Day, I think. It
was a major disappointment.
smoke.
It was smoke.
If there was mosquitoes in the area, there was no mosquitoes in the
Yeah,
area.
we fumigated the area with smoke.
Yeah.
We gave up after an hour and just put it out and called it a day.
So now we're drying it.
Yes, we're drying it with our fire. We bought firewood from here at Harris Beach, and it's really dry and nice and lovely and crackling. So
It burns.
it burns, woohoo!
Yay. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's. Ooh, that's some bad hair today. That's scary. Where are we off to, dear?
We're touring. We're doing some hiking and heading back to Kissing Rock by Gold Beach and making our way back at all the spots that we didn't stop when we had the trailer on.
Well, and also it was lousy weather.
That's
There
true.
wasn't much sense stopping. Today's a beautiful sunshiny day, and so hopefully with lots of photography and hiking, and we have our trusty puppies with us, and they're all excited. There's Miss Luna. There she is. Yeah, so we're off. Woohoo!
Should be fun.
Should be very fun. It's a bird skull. Caw, caw.
How do you know it's that kind of bird?
You can't eat. No, you eat it. There's Curtis taking down his tripod. Beautiful Pacific Ocean. Tide is coming in. This beach is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of people down here today. Some in shorts, some in parkas, somewhere in between. But it is gorgeous down here. Beautiful walk on a beautiful beach on a beautiful day. Beautiful. Hey, handsome.
How are you?
Okay. We are at Arches Viewpoint.
In Oregon?
Hence the arch right there.
That's a giveaway. That's a giveaway.
We've been driving down the coast. We drove up to Kissing Rock,
Gold Beach.
and we've been driving back down towards Harris Beach and stopping at every roadside pullout there is.
Yeah, which is nice. There's
Yeah.
quite a few.
And isn't this amazing? Right now, Curtis and I are at the same height because he's totally slouching. I kind of like it.
Yeah, I'm shorter now.
Yeah, see, that's how it normally is, but it's me down there.
There, let's go back up.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, see, and I'm on higher ground
Now
here.
we block the arch out. There we go.
Anyways, it is really, really pretty. And if you have the time to pull into all these pullouts and all the beaches along here, along the Oregon coast.
And this one, if it's not busy, an RV can pull in here.
Yes, at Arches you can pull in an RV as long as it's not busy. You can swing around and park. Yeah, very nice.
Wow.
That's our view right now. The sea has calmed down and doesn't look like it's trying to kill you.
Look at the beach, how busy it is. Oh, wait, there is someone over there.
Yep, people way off in the distance. This is beautiful. Time to take some photos.